How to import reviews from Zendrop to Shopify. So the first step is to simply install the Zendrop app. So I already have it, and then you're gonna have to simply click on add to my products, and then here go to my products, and then you're gonna have to simply click on review and publish, then simply click on publish to my store, and then what you're gonna have to do next, so you're gonna have to simply wait until this will be published to our store, and basically you're gonna have to find the same product or something similar on AliExpress. Usually these products are from AliExpress, and then basically you're gonna have to simply import those. So as you can see, we have the product here, and basically now you're gonna have to install this other app, which is called this one here, where it is. So let me show you the app. So let's see what it is. So this one here, Ali Reviews. So you're gonna have to install it, and then simply click on Open App, and then you're gonna have to simply select your product. So click on Import Reviews, then simply select this one here and click on Import Reviews, and then simply add the product AliExpress link, and basically the app will do everything and will import. As you can see, you can also find suggested items. So basically that's all you have to do. Thanks for watching.